Are you struggling to find a running shoe that balances comfort, speed, and support? We've got you covered. In today's video, we're revealing the top 6 best running shoes of 2025. Whether you're a daily jogger or a marathon machine, these picks are built to elevate your performance. Number 6. Saucony Endorphin Speed 4. The Saucony Endorphin Speed 4 takes the 6th spot thanks to its excellent combination of speed, comfort, and versatility. Built with Saucony's responsive PWRUNPB foam midsole and a flexible nylon plate, it delivers a smooth, energetic ride ideal for tempo runs, long distances, and even race days. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability and a snug fit, while the improved heel design offers better stability and support. Its XT900 rubber outsole adds reliable grip and durability, making it a strong option for daily training. What makes the Speed 4 stand out is its ability to handle both easy and fast-paced runs with equal efficiency. Runners love its lightweight feel and balanced cushioning, which help reduce fatigue without sacrificing performance. It's a true do-it-all shoe that adapts to a variety of workouts. Sleek in design and responsive underfoot, the Endorphin Speed 4 continues to earn praise from athletes of all levels. Priced at around $125.00, down from $170.00, it offers great value for a high-performance running shoe. Number 5. Hoka Clifton 10. The Hoka Clifton 10 continues to impress runners in 2025 with its well-rounded comfort and lightweight feel. With its ultra-soft EVA foam midsole and early-stage Meta rocker technology, this shoe is made for smooth transitions and effortless strides. The engineered mesh upper is redesigned for better airflow and foot-hugging comfort, helping runners tackle long distances without overheating. It's lightweight at just over 8 ounces, and the 5mm heel-to-toe drop supports a more natural running form. Runners have praised the Clifton 10 for providing the ideal balance between cushioning and responsiveness, perfect for both daily runs and extended training sessions. The updated heel counter offers improved stability, and the overall build quality makes it durable enough to last hundreds of miles. Whether you're pounding pavement or doing light trail work, this shoe adapts well to varied surfaces thanks to its durable rubber outsole. The style is another bonus, with sleek color options and a modern design that doesn't look out of place in casual settings. The Clifton 10 is also environmentally friendly, using recycled materials in its construction. Retailing around $140.00, it delivers value by offering premium tech and comfort at a mid-range price. If you're looking for a dependable daily trainer that won't weigh you down but still delivers exceptional cushioning, the Hoka Clifton 10 should definitely be on your radar this year. Number 4. Asics Men's Nova Blast 5. The Asics Men's Nova Blast 5 is designed for runners who want serious bounce and responsiveness in every stride. This 2025 model introduces FF Blast TMTM Plus Eco Cushioning, which adds more energy return and comfort while keeping things eco-friendly. It's ideal for neutral runners who enjoy a springy feel without losing control. Weighing around 8.6 ounces, it sits comfortably in the lightweight trainer category, but provides impressive durability and stability. One of its biggest improvements is the woven upper, which molds securely around your foot and boosts breathability during long or fast-paced runs. The Nova Blast 5 also features an 8mm heel-to-toe drop that encourages a smooth stride transition while reducing fatigue. The outsole is crafted with trampoline-inspired geometry that adds bounce and grip, making each toe-off feel energetic. Asics has improved the heel structure too, cutting down pressure on the Achilles and boosting rear foot comfort. Runners have reported better recovery times and reduced muscle fatigue thanks to the shoe's shock-absorbing capabilities. It's also praised for versatility, great for daily runs, long sessions, and even tempo workouts. Retailing at about $140.00, it hits a sweet spot between performance and affordability. If you're aiming for a shoe that makes your runs feel more dynamic and responsive while also being kind to your joints, the Nova Blast 5 is a top-tier choice in 2025's lineup. Number 3. New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4. The New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 is built for runners who want to feel fast without sacrificing cushioning. This 2025 release utilizes a fuel cell midsole blended with Pebax material for a high-rebound, energetic ride that's perfect for workouts or race days. At just 7.4 ounces, it's one of the lightest shoes in its class, yet its wide forefoot gives it surprising stability. This means you can fly through sprints or tempo runs without worrying about balance. The engineered mesh upper adapts to your foot for a breathable, glove-like fit, while the updated heel structure locks in your foot without adding bulk. With the 6mm drop, it offers a nice mix of ground feel and cushion, great for runners who want speed without the harsh impact. The rubber outsole grips well on the road, and the entire design encourages quick transitions and fast turnover. Whether you're aiming for a new personal record or just want to add some spark to your runs, the Rebel V4 brings the energy. It's versatile enough for both training and racing, and the sleek, modern design earns style points too. Retailing around $150.00, it's slightly above average in price, but well worth it for runners looking to invest in performance. If your goal is to get faster and more efficient with every run, the Rebel V4 could be your new go-to. Number 2. Asics Metaspeed Sky 3. The Asics Metaspeed Sky 3 is engineered for elite runners and serious competitors who want maximum speed on race day. Designed for stride-style runners, it helps extend your stride and maintain pace over long distances. This model includes Asics' most advanced midsole foam, which is 20% lighter and more responsive than older versions. At just 7.2 ounces and with a 5mm drop, it delivers that ideal combo of featherweight design and explosive energy return. A full-length carbon plate runs through the midsole, acting like a springboard for your feet and reducing energy loss during propulsion. The motion wrap zeroes in on your foot and tears your foot without adding extra weight. The outsole is grippy and durable, so you can confidently race in any conditions. What sets the Metaspeed Sky 3 apart is how it supports high-speed efforts while still cushioning each landing. Perfect for marathons, half marathons, or competitive 10Ks. Priced at around $250.00. It's an investment, but one that pays off if you're chasing top performance. This is not just a shoe, it's a tool to help you run faster, longer, and more efficiently. Whether you're an elite runner or just someone pushing for a new PR, the Sky 3 gives you that competitive edge with every stride. Number 1. Nike Vomero 18. Sitting at the top of our list is the Nike Vomero 18, and it absolutely deserves the crown. Known for its luxurious comfort and durability, this year's model steps up the game with Zoom X Foam, Nike's most responsive cushioning tech. This makes every step feel smooth, soft, and bouncy, whether you're on mile 1 or mile 20. The Vomero 18 weighs about 9.1 ounces, slightly heavier than others here, but that extra weight comes with unmatched cushioning support. It's perfect for long-distance runners, marathon trainers, and even casual joggers who want plush comfort. The newly designed upper uses engineered mesh for enhanced breathability and added structure, while the heel and collar areas are padded for an ultra-comfy feel. The outsole uses full-length rubber for excellent grip and extra mileage. Runners with joint sensitivities or previous injuries find this model especially useful for its shock-absorbing properties. Nike also added reflective elements for safer nighttime runs and various color options to suit your style. With a price around $160.00, it hits the sweet spot between performance and premium comfort. What really makes the Vomero 18 stand out is its ability to work across a variety of running styles, from recovery runs to long workouts. If you're after the ultimate in comfort, cushioning, and everyday versatility, the Nike Vomero 18 is the best all-around choice for 2025. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 running shoes of 2025. Whether you're chasing a personal best or just love the feeling of a great run, there's a shoe here for you. Which pair are you excited to try out first? If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.